In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate AI videos directly from URL of any video or any website. Okay, so you can do this product or website to video directly, and the software or the AI tool that we're going to use is called the Pippit AI. This is it. You have to come to pippit.ai. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought into this very platform. Now, our key target is to produce a marketing video. Okay, so we can click on this option. Now you have the option to use the light mode, which is the model to use. You can choose the model that you're going to use, and then you can add a link directly to anything. And then you can put in what you want it to generate for you directly. And then you can add a media, upload from your computer, be it a video, an image, or an audio to just guide the creation. And then you can add a document as well, or other things like you can define kind of avatars, languages, video length, and so on from here. So let's say for this, I'm going to create a video. So I'm going to put in a link. Okay, so this can create videos based on the info and media from this website. So you can just put in the website. It's a professional blog about 10 tips for improving public speaking skills. It's a blog by Harvard. Okay, so and I want to use this as our source to create the video. So once you have this inserted, you can go ahead and click on generate, and let's give it some seconds. Yes, let's confirm this, and let's give it some seconds to analyze the prompt and then generate the video out of the link that we just added to it. All right, so you can see how do you want to create the videos. Public speaking tips is that it has already identified that the link that we've provided is a public speaking tips, offers 10 practical tips to help individuals overcome fear of public speaking. And these are the media that it has picked from the link. You can add more media if you're interested from your computer or from any of these directories. And down here, you have more information, like you can add in more highlights. You can add practical anxiety strategy, audience engagement techniques, and so on. You can add all of this, and target audience you can define as well, or add more directly, or remove anyone if you are not interested. Now, there are more info here. You can add marketing holiday or special offer directly. What types? You can make it auto match or pick preferred types and scripts, which is I leave everything at default. And then lastly, also you have to pick video types or and scripts and customize the scripts directly from here. You can customize everything. And then over here, you have the video settings. The type of avatar you can define directly. You can define the type of avatar, and they're categorized according to gender, age, figure, name, industry, scene, pose, and outfit. And you can see if I favorite and have my avatars. So let's say we are taking someone very simple like this one, and then we can click on confirm. And over here, you can select the smart voice, the aspect ratio of the video, and the language and length directly. So let's keep everything at default, and let's say generate. And then let's give it some seconds to finish the processing and generation directly. And it has generated the video just like so. You can see self-scripted text overlay directly, and then we have product reels, new arrival, product highlighting, and so on. We just preview them, and then the one you see and you prefer, you can just go ahead and download and use it for your liking. The only thing is going to have this watermark, which you can remove directly. You can come over here and click on export to export any of them that you may be interested in. Found this helpful? Please leave a like.